Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sparky here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a short video of this beast. It's my 99 Civic Si Canadian version. So in the US, it's gonna be EX, whatever how you call it. I'm Canadian, French Canadian, so sorry for my accent. So it's a little project that I have for 8 years. This one is a brand new shell that I got like a year ago, 2 years ago. And my older shell, you probably seen it, but it had some rust, some issue in the shell itself. So this one is a lot cleaner, but I had this platform for 8 years. So for 9 years this year. And I love the platform, especially the coupe. I love the shape. I'm not fan of the hatch from the rear, how it cuts really like cutting down like at least 2 feet from the rear. I like the shape of the coupe. So it's pretty basic, mostly for track built. It's not really high speed. So it has a B18B with stock transmission, Yonaka clutch. It's a stage 3 6-puck clutch from Yonaka. I also have Yonaka radiator and Yonaka engine mount. The steel one, not the aluminum one. What else in the engine? I have K-Tune braided clutch line, Valex Racing brake line kit all over around from the master cylinder to the brakes. It's all braided line. I just need to get the fuel lines. What else? What else do I have in the engine bay? PLM 3Y 421 big tube headers that exiting at 2.5, but the whole line is 3-inch because I'm preparing to go for K-swap, and K-series love to breed with 3-inch. What else do I have? Some generic tubing for the airflow, air intake. Everything else is stock. It has a B18 stage 2 camshaft from BC that I'm gonna remove it and put back stock camshaft, because my tune right now it's made for the stock camshaft, and I bought the car with the engine because I blew the other one on my older shell. So I kept the camshaft and I'm gonna put it there and sold this one to get some money out of it. I don't have most of the parts installed. I don't have them installed. I have them, it's not installed yet. So I'm gonna order some HSD coilover. Right now it's sitting on Coney Yellow shock with airbag springs. I have lower control arm on the rear from Skunk 2, stock in the front but with energy suspension. Upper control arm in the front from K-Tune, Moog, generic Moog tie rods. And I have also, what else? Energy race hub with quick release and ultra racing Prisma seats on PLM low seat rails. K-Tune muffler, turn down muffler with resonator from Vibrant. The bottle style is like 12 or 13 inch long. All Integra brakes all around. The rear one, the disc and pads from the rear are from Centric. Front are from still stock from the one I got it from the swap, the brake swap I got it. It needs brakes and pads in the front, and it needs rear caliper in the rear because it's frozen or they are jammed. And I'm gonna turn on the engines so you can hear it a little bit. It's rowdy. How do we say that? It's not that loud, but it's loud. So I'm gonna just remove some water in the front and the windows. So the stage 2 camshaft does make a loop on the idle, but my tune also have the loop done into it. So when I had my other motor, I asked the tuner to put a loop on the idle because I like some loop, and he told me, oh, you're gonna install and everything, and I said, oh, just go for it. So That's why I want to remove the cams and put back in, because this one does not match together with the tune and the camshaft. What else do I have done to it? So the wheels and tires, the tires are from Falcon. They are ASUS 615K, something like that, and they are 205/50/15, and the wheels are Fast Orbits 15 by 7.5 or 6.5. I can't remember, one of the two. Plus 35, something stupid like that. Stock offset basically. What else? Side skirt is stock. I had some aero before. I had some first molding lip, but I broke it on the street. And I have a wing rider that you can probably see it from the snow. I think I'm gonna put back buy a new lip and put it in the front. I want to do a cut bumper. I'm like 50-50. I like the look, but I don't want to do it, so I will see for that. Side skirt is gonna be staying stuck. If I paint back the car, I'm gonna remove those side molding and do a delete kit, because I find it way cleaner like that. This paint is not factory. It's like a slightly darker gray and more metallic. I like it. It's not bad, but it's darker. The hood is painted black. I don't like it. I'm gonna change it, but we'll see about that. Right now it's gonna stay. It needs rear brakes, like I said. The shifter, like the shift knob, is from how it's called, Jack Spania shifter. So it removes the stabilizer bar, because there's two linkage, right? On the B series and D series, there's one that shifts and the one that stabilizes the whole kit. You delete that, and this one bolted into the transmission tunnel. Like I think it's made for a BMW, and Jack Spania took it, tried it on Civic to do some similar stuff to Civic, and it was a bolt-on kit. So there you go. What else do I have? The tow arm and camber arm in the rear have none of that, but I'm gonna order probably the tow arm. I'm gonna leave it stock, but the camber arm I'm gonna order some K-Tunes one. I would like to run K-Tunes lower also when my Skunk 2 gonna go out. That's probably it. I mean, it's a SI Canadian, so for you guys it's gonna be a EX, and your SI for us is the SIR. So for the Cube model of 96 to 2000, your SI is our SIR, our SI is your EX, and our EX is, I think, your DX. The CX is only on the hatchback, and it's fully naked, so there is no AC, no electric window, no powered mirror, no sunroof, no power steering, no airbag on the passenger seat. Like, it's fully stripped down. It's the best platform if you want to build a drag race or track race for a stupid light, because it's already stripped down, so you gain a lot of weight from there. I don't know about this one, but my other shell that I got for 8 years, this one is probably like two years I own it. I weight it on a balance or a scale with half tank and my tools in it. It was around I can't remember, it was 1,025 kilos. So 1,025 kilos, I remember, yeah, 1,025 kilos. Right now it's fully stripped from, I don't have carpets, I don't have the inside of the door of both sides, and stripped down from the rear seat to the rear, all stripped down. Still have the liner on the roof, and I don't know how much it weighed. I didn't weight it much, and that was with my D16 back in the days, not with the B series. So I want to go try it and do a scale on it and see how it looks like. So yeah, like right now you can hear the click. It needs some valve adjustment, but like I said, once I'm gonna remove the camshaft out of it and put my older one, my original one or OEM stock camshaft, I'm gonna do the valve adjustment, so you will hear less of clicking. click, 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 click. But I'm gonna go closer to my exhaust, and you can hear the stage 2 and my tune working together. If I put gas, it's gonna try to stall. But if I don't touch gas, anything, it will stabilize and sound like that, which I really enjoyed it. I love the sound. The exhaust is not that loud, but it's still loud. And if I put gas, it's gonna be loud, but it makes it smooth. And with the header, how it functions, I don't know how it functions, but it make a rumble sound, which I really enjoyed it. When I first put it and start the engine, I was like, oh my god, I love it. Because before I had the Type R, Spec R, how it's called, header, and it was high pitch, but not like raspy. So this one make it deeper and smoother and have some rumble to it. Especially B series do have rumble compared to K series. And my plan for it is to go K series, K swap, because the B series, I love B series, but they are so expensive. Like a B18C from Integra Type R is like $10,000 for a whole setup, transmission, harness, everything. And for me to do a K swap, it's minimum $10,000 just to make it running, right? It's probably gonna be $15,000 if I want to put a K24 base from a TSX, K28 head, and do a lot of stuff to make it better and reliable and push to 260 wheel horsepower, which is my goal to do that, because it's a truck car. And if I go too much power, I'm just gonna rip off the tires of the launch and on exiting off the corner, right? And our racetrack here are short, very simple, so I don't want to be really like spinning tires and running slicks. It's already semi-slicks, so I'm fine with that, and they are DOT approved, so I'm fine with that. So yeah, I hope you like the video. This is gonna be it. So if you do like the comment, like, subscribe, and comment the video and share it, because if you don't, that's how you're not supporting the video. And we will see in the next video. I don't know which video, but we'll see. It's snowing, I'm at home, and this is my project car. So there you go. Alright guys, see you. Listen to that. That's the per idle right now. It's probably sitting at 800 RPM, and just listen to that rumble, man. Ooh, that's a nice sound. I love it.